So welcome to QuickPixel, and we are going to blend this text in with the background. So let's get into it. So first of all, just open your image that you would like to use. If you want to use the same image I'm using, the link will be in the description. So I'm gonna type something like blend and just place it in the middle, and I'm gonna increase its size a bit. Now all you have to do is just click on this FX icon and go to blending options. Now if your background is too dark, just slide this left slider to the right. And when you see it's starting to blend, just hold Alt on your keyboard and just drag it like this. This will make the transition a lot smoother. But what if your background is too bright? So in that case, I'm going to do it with a bright background. So I'm gonna shift it to bright and just double click on here as well. Now just reset this and drag this white slider a bit like this, and hold Alt on your keyboard again and just do like what we did with the previous one, and you can see this has blended as well. So that was it for the video. If you like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and see you in the next one.